Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to crochet an adorable white seal together. This cute little seal is perfect as a cuddly toy for kids, a charming decoration, or even a heartfelt handmade gift. Don't worry if you're a beginner, I'll guide you step by step. You've got this. If you enjoy this tutorial, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future projects. Let's get started. We'll start with the body of our white seal. For round 1, make 7 single crochets into a magic ring. This creates a nice, tight circle to begin. You're doing great. Tip: pull the tail of your magic ring tight to close the center neatly. Moving on to round 2, we're going to increase. Make 2 single crochets in each stitch around. That's a total of 14 single crochets. Awesome job. Tip: use a stitch marker to keep track of the first stitch in each round. For round 3, we'll alternate increases. Do 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochets in the next stitch, and repeat this pattern around. You'll end up with 21 single crochets. You're making amazing progress. Tip: keep your tension even so your circle stays nice and flat. Next up, round 4. This time, do 21 single crochets all the way around. No increases here. You've got this down. Tip: count your stitches at the end of the round to make sure you still have 21. For round 5, we'll start decreasing. Do 3 single crochets, then a single crochet decrease, and repeat this pattern around. You'll have 17 stitches by the end. Great work, you're shaping the body beautifully. Tip: make sure your decreases are nice and tight to avoid gaps. Now for rounds 6 through 11, we're going to do 24 single crochets in each round. That's 6 rounds of 24 single crochets each. Take your time, you're doing wonderfully. Tip: if your hands get tired, pause and stretch them out to stay comfortable. For round 12, we'll decrease again. Do 3 single crochets, then a decrease, and repeat around. You'll end up with 19 stitches. You're so close to finishing the body. Amazing effort. Tip: keep your decreases even to maintain a smooth shape. On to round 13. Do 21 single crochets all the way around. You're doing fantastic. Look at how your seal is coming together. Tip: check your stitch count to ensure you have 21 stitches. For round 14, we'll decrease again. Do 7 single crochets, then a decrease, and repeat around. You'll have 16 stitches by the end. You're shaping the body perfectly. Great job. Tip: pull your stitches a bit tighter on decreases to keep the shape smooth. Now that the body is done, let's stuff it. Use some soft polyester fiber fill to fill the body nice and firm, but not too tight. This will give your seal that cute, cuddly shape. You're doing so well. Your seal is really coming to life. Finally, for round 15, do 7 single crochets, then a decrease, and repeat around. You'll end up with 14 stitches. You've completed the body. Woohoo, you're a crochet star. Tip: double check your stitch count before moving on. Let's move on to the tail. For the tail, we're going to turn and chain 1, then do 2 double crochets, 1 chain, and 2 double crochets all in the same stitch. This creates a cute little tail shape. Amazing work. Tip: make sure your chain 1 in the middle isn't too tight so the tail has a nice curve. Now for the hands, or flippers. For each hand, chain 2, then do a half double crochet in the same stitch. Repeat this for the second hand. You're adding such sweet details. Well done. Tip: attach the hands securely to the body with a yarn needle for a polished look. We already made the tail earlier, so let's attach it to the body if you haven't already. Use your yarn needle to sew it on securely at the back of the body. Your white seal is almost complete. You're killing it. Tip: position the tail slightly off center for a playful look.